So guys, you have seen we added 2 onions and we are making the best boiled egg curry masala ever. So here are 2 blended onions. We added half spoon of red chili, half spoon of mustard seeds, half spoon of cumin, half spoon of black pepper, half spoon of garlic powder, whole spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of salt, and half crushed cinnamon. So here is all the onions and the dry ingredients here at the moment. We are almost there with the recipe. We were just stir frying our raw blended onion. So it's almost there. We have stir fried these guys at least for 10 minutes so far. Okay, this is the fresh tomato puree. These are 2 tomatoes. I'll add 2 tomato purees. Whole yogurt, add at least 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Well, I'm just telling you guys, this will be the best egg curry masala ever. So once you add the tomatoes and the onion and all dry ingredients, give it a stir, and now cook these guys at least for 10 minutes. In the meantime, these are the curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. Add at least 10 of these guys in your masala. Okay, all fresh curry leaves goes in there. We might add a little bit more curry leaves later on, but for now we need to cook these guys. It's been 7 minutes. We have been roasting our curry masala. We will take our 12 hard-boiled eggs and we will just add them right here. As soon as you guys add it, they will change their color. You guys see that? This is all the turmeric. This is all the curry masalas. After adding the eggs, you still have to cook this mixture a little bit longer. I mean the curry, you still have to cook the curry a little bit longer. So it's gonna be another 10 minutes. The best part, these are organic hard-boiled eggs. It took 10 minutes for me to boil the eggs. We all know how to boil the eggs, right? Right. So yeah, that's what you have to do. Now cook this with the lid on for another 10 minutes on a medium to high flame, and after that we will take a look in there. It's all 100% roasted. We will just turn off the heats, and it's all perfectly done. The egg curry masala roast is right here. The best ever recipe. With flavorful eggs. Right? Okay. This is how it is, guys. 1 dozen flavorful curry masala eggs. Alright guys, moment of truth. We'll dish out our egg curry masala right here on the side with some curry. At least 4 eggs from myself. Wonderfully done. A perfect snack with a punch of flavor. Check the curry, the thick curry right on top. Yum yum. I want actually one more. Can I? Yeah. This is a dinner, right? So why not? Alright guys, here you go. The best egg curry masala is right here. Alright, so the moment of truth. Hard boiled eggs, curry masala. The curry masala right there. And here it is. It's hot. Delicious. Oh wow. Let me try with some white rice. Here it is. Yum. Subscribe the channel.